If you do stained glass work, you probably end up with a lot of waste solder, something like this. Now this was was almost full to the top, but I've been experimenting with methods of reclaiming this so that it can be reused. And we're going to take a look at the best result out of my attempts to do this. We're looking at two pieces of composite decking clamped together. The X on the left-hand side, right here, marks the side that is flush perfectly. What we did is laid this down on a flat surface and then clamped these two pieces together so that we know these sides are oriented properly. The first thing we did was use a center drill to mark the beginning of our hole. Now this is a 1/4 inch twist drill, and we're going to end up making two holes, two different sizes in this. We'll move over and make another hole. Right now we have this center drilled and we're about to drill the hole. The hole can be as long as you want. If you have a really long drill and some longer material, that's fine. So after we finish drilling the hole, we need to take a large countersink here and bring it down and put a countersink in the hole to facilitate pouring of the solder. We don't want it splashing all over the place trying to pour it into a small hole, and this will create somewhat of a funnel for us, as you can see here. So we have a larger area to pour solder into. It's been about 5 minutes since I poured this, so it feels like it might be cool enough to handle. We'll find out. Take the clamp off, release this, and it is really stuck together. And there we go. There's the larger piece. They kind of look like machine screws, don't they? And they come out pretty easy. And you can use that to solder with now. Perfect way to recycle that. Well, the first time you pour solder into the mold, you may find some contamination just on the outside of the roll. And you can take that off with the grinder, a wire wheel. And it comes out very nicely. It's not a problem, and I don't think it's going to reoccur the next time you do a pouring. And before putting the mold together again to do some more pouring, take a drill that's the same size as one of the drills that you drilled your holes with and lay it in the hole. And then you can use that to align it together. Sit on a flat surface, put your clamp on here, remove your drill, and you're ready to go for your next pour. If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas.